Hello friends, this is Sharmi with the Amateur Gardener, walking you through a quick walkthrough of a Japanese style garden in the San Antonio area. Let me know what you think. We're entering the Japanese tea garden in San Antonio. There's a little waterfall far out. That's a desert willow. And then we have a whole bunch of Pride of Barbados. Lots of Lomandra grass here. Couple of turtles in between a lot of koi and ponds. Actually, it's like a lake more. It goes on both sides of this bridge. This is a beauty berry. I have one of these in my garden. And then a lot of sage. Some butterfly bushes, some Clematis, and some Penstemons. Some, I guess those are like perennial sunflowers. Beautiful site here. The waterfall there looks pretty neat. Lots of impatiens. Some Gerbera Daisies, Canna Lilies, spider lilies. Alocasias, Papaya Trees. Some of the Dwarf Bamboos look pretty good. That's a large Crepe Myrtle. Lots of Colocasias as well. This, I think, is a bird of paradise. Chinese bamboo looks pretty good. I was expecting more Japanese maples, which I don't see here.
Unscented.
I guess the koi here are kind of spoiled. They see humans and they flock to meet them, I guess because they get food. Love these large alocasias. It's just the size makes them occupy a large space and looks amazing. Lots of Angelonia here. This is a Podocarpus, Japanese plum. I have one of these in my garden. This is even taller than the one that I have. The one mine is about like 10 to 12 feet. This probably is about 15. Japanese boxwood. Some juniper. This is the prostrate variety. Some mountain sage. More Gerbera Daisies. They look amazing. Especially because it's covering such a pretty significant area, it looks awesome. And then this one is, I think it's a Texas Redbud. I think it's Texas Redbud. Oh, it could be anything. It's a Redbud for sure. The canna looks beautiful. Crepe Barbados looks beautiful. There are several plants in there.
Yeah, I remember all these pretty spots. You can walk around here, you can walk upstairs, you can look down,
That's the mimosa I was talking about. common trees here. This one is the Texas sage. Lots of dwarf bamboos that have grown really tall. And then this one is a Texas mountain laurel. It's a pretty large size tree. But some of these plants are pretty nice. These are like Angelonia that have been cut back. But some of them are, especially the bamboo, are not very easy to allow to grow wild in your own garden. So whenever I see a garden, I kind of start thinking if at all there are any aspects of this garden that I can incorporate in mine. Plants are not very different from some of the plants that I have, but it looks really lush, and this is more like a mature garden. And some of these plants are not very, I would say, something that I wouldn't plant in a home garden. Getting out of the garden. So hopefully you liked the video about this Japanese style garden kind of in the San Antonio area. If you did, do hit a like and do subscribe to my channel. Otherwise I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.